Hello students, welcome to the class 8th standard maths. Today we shall learn exercise 3.4 question number 1. Factorize the following by taking out the common factor. Subdivision 1, 18xy minus 12y is z. So here there are two terms are given, that is 18xy is one of the term, another term is 12yz. Now we are going to factorize these two terms using this numbers which is the coefficient of xy and yz. So choose 18. So now let's do the L division method or LCM method, that is take the prime numbers 2 to divide this 18. Now just say the 2 table will get 9 2s are 18. Again we can use 3 table for this 9. Then we get 3 3s are 9. If we apply the 3 table, then we get 1. What about 12? So this can be factorized using the 2 table. Then 2 6 are 12. Again we can go for 2 table. Then 2 3s are 6. And for the 3 table we shall go for 3 and we get 1. Now let us substitute these factors here. That is 2 into 3 into 3 into xy and minus, let's write the factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. This also we can write it in another form, that is y into z. So we can write it this way or also this way. Here now compare the terms. What are the numbers and variables are common? We are going to taking out. So that's what the question they have asked. Factorize the following by taking out the common factors. So we are going to taking out the common factors. So what are the common factors are here? Here 1, there is also 2. So 2 is a common factor. And next 3 is common. Here 3 is also common. What else are there? Now here x is common, but here x is also not existing. But y is here, but here is also y existing. So therefore y we can take it out because which is common for these two terms. Then let's write the remaining term, that 3x, because we have taken out the y. So just left the y and write the 3 and x. Here all we have taken 1, 2, that is 2 is a common factor. Then the remaining terms are, we can write, so one of the 2 will be here and 3 term has taken out, y term also has taken out, then the remaining is 2z. Now the answer is 2 3s are 6y, 3x minus 2z is a right answer for this subdivision. Now the second subdivision, just read it and understand what are the common terms are there. Let's find 9x power 5, y power 3, 6x power 3 or x cube, y power 2 or y square minus 18x square y. So in all this term there are 9, 6, 18. So the coefficients are 9, 6, 18. So first let us use a LCM method for this coefficients, that is we can apply 3 table, 3 3s are 9 and again if we apply we get 1. So what about the remaining coefficient? 6. So here if we apply 3 we get 2. Then if we divide this by 2 we get 1. Okay, the next we can go for the 18. Here I choose the 2. So if we divide this 18 by 2, we get, just say the 2 table. So 9 2s are 18. Then again if we go for the 3 table, 3 3s are 9 we get, and again if we go for 3 3s are, 3 divided by 3, we get 1. So next we can write those factors here. That is, the 9 factors are 3 into 3. We are going to write this part. Okay. So then the remaining terms we can write it x power 5 into y cube, which means x is multiplied 5 times. Y is multiplied 3 times. The next term 6. So these factors are 3 into 2. Next, the remaining variables x cube, which means x is multiplied for 3 times and the remaining is y square. Then the next one, 8 minus 18x square y. So what are the terms are here? 2 into 3 into 3. Then the remaining variables x square, which means there are 2 times of x. Here 1 time of y, which is y. Now just compare this 3 terms. Let's take it out the common factor. Okay. So I am going to cancel the factors which have been taken out. So, but you don't do this in your classwork or in your exam. For your understanding, I am just cancelling this. That is 3, 3, 3. So 3 has been taken out. Then what else? There is one more 3. Is there one more 3? There is no. But here there is one more 3. But if exists in 3 term, we can take it out. But here 3 existing in 2 terms. So we should not take it out. So therefore skip for this variable. So x. So x is there in the 3 terms, isn't it? So x power 5, x cube and x square. So which is the least power? Which means the power 5 means 5 times of x. This is 3 times of x. This is 2 times of x. Which is the least value? 2 times of x is the least value. So let's bring it out that. So x square. So here I just brought out. Then what else will be here? Only 1x will be here. So here I have taken out 2x, isn't it? So therefore how many x will be there? There will be 3x cube or 3x will be there. So we can write it x power 3 or x cube, we can say it. Now, is there anything common? Y values are common. Which is the least one? Here y cube, y square, y. Which is the least common is? Only y is the least common. So I have taken out y. Then what else will be? Here if I have taken out the y, one of the y, what will be the answer? Only y, one y will be there. Here if I have taken out one y, then the remaining value will be y square. So now let's write the remaining values of the terms. So here we did not take it out 3. So carefully you write, children. That is x cube. The remaining is x cube and y square. What else will be here? 2 into x then into y. And another term is, so this will, you will be getting plus sign. So the next one will be, here you will get minus sign, that is minus 2 and into 3. So already we have taken out the least value x square and y. So there will be minus 2 into 3. With this, we shall close the bracket. Now, let's multiply the remaining values. So, if we multiply, we get 3x square y. What else we will get here? 3x cube into y square. Then here 2xy. Then the remaining term is 2 3s are 6. So this is the answer for this subdivision. Now the third subdivision is x into b minus 2c plus y into b minus 2c. Here the answer is very simple. Just compare this two terms. What else will be the common? B minus 2c is existing here. The same way here is also b minus 2c. So let's take it out this term as a common one. Then b minus 2c I have taken out. Then the remaining value will be x plus y. So we can use the curve bracket, that is b minus 2c. I have taken out as a common. Then the remaining is x plus y is the answer. Now just see the fourth subdivision, ax plus ay plus bx plus by. Now compare this bracket alone. Here a terms existing in ax with the ay. So let's take it out a for this bracket as a common. Then x plus y we will get. What about here? The same way, if we take the b as a common, then we get x plus y. Now you can find the easiest way, that is to the previous sum. So x plus y values are common. Then take it out x plus y. Then the remaining values a plus b, which is the another term. So with this, the fourth subdivision gets over. Now look at the fifth subdivision, 2x square 4x minus 1 minus 4x plus 1. Now in this term, here there are two terms are there. Can you find it out? So 2x square into 4x minus 1 is one of the term. Then minus 4x plus 1 is one of the term. Here just compare this two term. So 4x minus 1, here 4x plus 1. Here the values are, the numbers are same, but the sign alone is different. Here there comes a minus, here we get the plus. So what shall we do to change the sign? So we can do by interchanging the sign, the values will be changed. So we are going to interchange the sign. So just see 2x square 4x minus 1. Here there exists the minus, isn't it? So I am going to take the minus as a common sign for this 4x plus 1. So I take the minus 1. Then what I get? So if I take the minus, here there exists the, so if I take the minus, here exists that is we get plus 4x. Then plus sign will become minus 1. So if I take the minus as a common sign, then we will be getting 4x minus 1. So now let's take the 4x minus 1, which is common for these two terms. So we can write 4x minus 1. Then the remaining value we can take it out. So I just forgot to say that here we are going to take the 1 as a common. Okay. So minus 1 we are just taking out as a common. Then we will be getting 2x square minus 1 is a remaining term. So this is the answer for this fifth subdivision. Here you can also just check it out. If we take the minus 1 as a common number, because each number is multiplied with 1 can be given the same number. So you just check it out, the previous one, minus 1 into 4x we get minus 4x. Minus 1 into minus 1 we get plus 1. So therefore the answer is clear and correct. Sixth subdivision, 3yx minus 2 the whole square minus 2 into 2 minus x. So now write 3y. So x minus 2 the whole square, which means 2 times of x minus 2. So for our understanding we can write x minus 2 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 the whole square means x minus 2, x minus 2. Then we can write minus 2. And here you see, instead of x minus 2 we have 2 minus x. So by interchanging the sign or the term, we can write that is minus x plus 2. So in the next step, we can write 3y x minus 2 x minus 2. Then, so here minus x lies here and plus 2 lies here. To take it out the common factor, we need x minus 2 form. So we can take the minus 1 as a common number. Then this interchanging of this sign will get x minus 2 we will get. Then compare these two terms. So comparing this two term we get x minus 2 as a common. Then the remaining values we will be getting 3y into x minus 2. 3y into x minus 2. Here minus 1 into plus 1 we will get, minus 2 into minus 1 we get plus 2, which is the answer for this sixth subdivision. So let's do the LCM division, that is for the 6. If we do, we get 2 table. If we apply, we get 2 3s are 6. Then again if I apply the 3 table, we get 1 only. So then for the 4 we get 2 2s are 4. Then for the 12 we get 2 table. If we apply, we get 2 6 are 12. And for the 3 we get 2. Then again we'll be getting the same. Then for the 2 table, so for the 2 no need to find, that is okay. So now let's write these factors, that is 2 into 3 into x into y. Then minus 4, instead of 4 we need to write 2 into 2 into y square. Then instead of 12 we need to write those factors 2 into 3 into 2 into x into y. Then minus 2 into y into z into x. Now let's take it out the common factors. What else? 2 2 2 2. So in each term we can take the 2 as a common. Then 3, here there is no 3, so that is not common. Next skip to the x. X, here there is no chance of existing x. So let's write go for the y. So y existing here and y is also here, y square, y, and there is also y. So let's take the y as a common. Then if we take it out, then there will be only one y cancelled and it will be also cancelled. Then let's write the remaining factors, that is 3x minus 2y. So this and this 2y. Then the remaining is 3 into 2 into 6, which means 6x plus 6x. Then the remaining term is minus zx. Now how can we simplify this 4 terms? Just look at the terms 3x minus 2y minus 6x minus zx. So you'll be having the plus 6x. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. 6 into x, 6x. Here you'll be getting plus sign for the 12. So there are 3x and 6x. So we can write it by addition 9x minus 2y minus zx, which is the answer for this 7th subdivision. Now see the 8th subdivision, a cube minus 3a square plus a minus 3. Here just look at the term a cube 3a square plus a minus 3. So there is no a in the last term. So compare this two term and just we can take it out the a square as a common. Okay. Then in the 3 times of a, if we take it out the 2 times of a, then we'll be getting a minus and 3. Then the remaining is plus a minus 3. Okay, if we take this a minus 3 and a minus 3 as a common, then we will be getting a minus 3. Then the remaining values will be a square plus, instead of this place value, we can substitute 1, that is a square plus 1, which is the answer for this 8th subdivision. The 9th subdivision is ab square minus bc square minus ab plus c square. So now look at here. Here ab square is lying and also one of the term ab. So let us together write. So if we writing together is called grouping the term or grouping the terms. So grouping this ab square and minus ab, it's nothing. Writing together, that is ab square minus ab. Then the remaining term will be automatically will be bc square plus c square. Then comparing this two term, we can take it out the ab as a common. Then instead of b square, we can write b. Then the remaining will be minus 1 because we have completely taken out the ab. So if we taken out the ab, then there will be having only value 1. Then compare this next two terms. Here you see c square and plus c square. So the c square is common for this two term. So we can take it out the plus c square or minus c square. So to get the b minus 1, we are going to take it out the minus c square. Otherwise, just write c square. Okay, we are going to take it out the minus c square. Then the remaining term will become b, and instead of this plus, we will be getting minus 1. Now comparing this, we can write b minus 1, which is the common term for this b minus 1. Then the remaining value is ab minus c square, which is the answer for this 9th subdivision.